Hey all, welcome back to my channel Learn and Practice with Teju. Today let us see about the class 10th coordinate geometry important questions. The distance between the 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula for distance between the 2 points. Distance between the P of x comma y and the origin is, so we have formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here this is x1 and y1, origin means 0 comma 0, this is x2 and y2. Substitute in this place, so x2 is 0, 0 minus x whole square plus y2 is 0, y1 is y whole square. So square root of 0 minus x minus x whole square x square plus 0 minus y minus y whole square is y square. So the distance between any point and to the horizon is always square root of x square plus y square. Let's see an example. So here x1 and y1, x2 y2. So square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So square root of x2 is 6 minus 4 whole square plus 8 minus 6 whole square, that is equals to x minus 4 is 2 square plus 2 square, that is equals to 4 plus 4, that is equals to root 8. So root 8 units. Root 8 units is the distance. So let us see the another problem. I am just giving an example for you to understand. That's it. Let's go into the problem. The question they have given like this: if the distance from P of x comma y and the origin is 5 units, find the point P of x comma y. We have to find these points x and y. We have to find out the x and y coordinates and the origin. So we know the formula that P of x comma y and the origin is O is 0 comma 0. Let be the x1 and y1, x2 and the y2. We know the distance from the origin to the any point is x square plus y square. Here only we have find x square plus y square. That they have given 5 units, so equals to 5. So square root of x square plus y square is equals to 5. X square plus y square. We are squaring on the both side. So if you do squaring means square and the square root get cancelled and y becomes y square becomes equals to 25. We should find out the points P of x comma y. Suppose in an option they have given 2 comma 4 minus 2 comma 6, option 4 comma 3, and one more is 2 comma 9. So you have to choose by substituting. So by substituting process we can find out an option. Suppose if you take then 2 comma 4 we won't get the 25, minus 2 comma 6 we won't get the 25. If you take then 4 comma 3, so 4 square plus 3 square, that is 16 plus 9, that is equals to 25. So the option 3 satisfies this question. This is that one more question. I am showing you how to solve this by using an options method. Midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is the midpoint formula. Let us see an example for this. Suppose they have given then x1 and y1 as 2 comma 3 and y1 x2 and the y2 as 4 comma 7. So how can we do this? Means x1 is 2 plus 4 by 2 comma 3 plus 7 by 2. So 6 by 2 comma 10 by 2, that is 3 comma 5. This is the midpoint formula. So we have here perpendicular distance from the point 3 comma y from x axis is. So if they ask a perpendicular distance from the point 3 comma 5 from x axis, if they are asking from x axis perpendicular distance means we have to take the y coordinate. So here the answer is 5 units. Suppose they ask a perpendicular distance from the point 3 comma 5 from y axis. From y axis means you have to take then x coordinate. So here reverse, perpendicular distance means like this. So from x axis means you have to take y coordinate, from y axis means you have to take x coordinate. Let's see the question. If the distance between P 2 comma minus 3 and Q 10 comma y is 10 units, find the value of y. We have know the distance formula. So the distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here P 2 comma minus 3 and Q is 10 comma y. So here x1 y1 x2 y2. Substitute in this. After substitution, so 10 minus 2 is 8 square plus y minus into minus plus 3 whole square, and they have given it is equals to 10 units. So equals to 10 units. So square root of 64 plus y plus 3 whole square is equals to 10. So we have to do the squaring on both sides. If you do the squaring on both sides, then see the answer. 64 plus y plus 3 whole square is equals to 10 square is 100. So y plus 3 whole square is equals to 100 minus 64 is, after substitution, so 10 minus 2 is 8 square plus y minus into minus plus 3 whole square, and they have given it is equals to 10 units. So equals to 10 units. So square root of 64 plus y plus 3 whole square is equals to 10. So we have to do the squaring on both sides. If you do the squaring on both sides, then see the answer. 64 plus y plus 3 whole square is equals to 10 square is 100. So y plus 3 whole square is equals to 100 minus 64 is y plus 3 is equals to square root of 36. Y plus 3 is equals to 6. Y is equals to 6 minus 3. So y is equals to 3 you have got. So the value will be y is equals to 3. That's it. To find the point on the x-axis from which 7, 6 and minus 3, 4 are equidistant. So we have to find the point on x-axis. So x-axis point on x-axis means always y coordinate will be 0. So y coordinate will be 0 means let us take x comma 0. Okay. Y x-axis, on the x-axis means x value will be, x coordinate will be present and y coordinate will be absent. So y is coordinate is 0. Now the point x comma 0 because y on it is on the x-axis. So on the 7, 6 and minus 3, 4 we have to find the equidistance in between them. So from the distance from this point to this and from this to this we have to find. So let us take this one, 7, 6 and x comma 0 we have to find the distance is equals to x comma 0 and minus 3, 4. This point we have to find out, and this point is in between these 2 points. So take it as x1 y1 x2 y2, and this is an x1 y1 and x2 y2. Write down the formula. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So square root of x2 is x minus x1 is 7 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus 6 whole square. Here x2 is minus 3 minus x whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square. Now take this x minus 7 whole square plus 0 minus 6 is 6. 6 square is 36. So minus 3 minus x whole square plus 4 square is 16. Now we have to do squaring on both sides. So x minus 7 whole square plus 36 equals to minus 3 minus x whole square plus 16. Okay. Now bring the squares on the one side. X minus 7 whole square minus minus 3 minus x whole square is equals to 16 minus 36. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. A in the form of a minus b whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square is the formula. A square minus 2 into a into b plus b square is 4 square. 7 square is 49 minus 3 square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. B square is x square. So 36 minus 6 is minus 20. Now do it. X square minus 7 2 is a 14x plus 49 minus 3 square is 9 minus into minus plus 3 to the 6 x square is equals to minus 20. X square minus 14x plus 49 minus 9 minus into plus minus 6x minus x square is equals to, so minus x square plus x square get cancelled. Minus 14x minus 16x 6x is minus 20x plus 49 minus 9 is 40 is equals to minus 20. Minus 20x is equals to minus 20 minus 40 minus 20x is equals to minus 60. So x is equals to minus get cancel, 0 0 cancel, 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is x is equals to 3 we have got. So x we have got 3. Here what we have got, then coordinate x comma 0. So x comma 0 is equals to 3 comma 0. So we have find out the point which is equidistant from the 7 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. Here it is 3 comma 0. That is, this is for 2 marks. Maybe they have asked for 2 marks or 3 marks, I don't know, but it is an important question. So diagonals bisect each other. So diagonals bisect each other means we have to write first now. If the diagonals bisect each other, coordinates means from here, the distance from here OD is equals to OB. OD distance is equals to OB means the midpoint from then O to D is equals to midpoint from then O to B. So AC is equals to BD. Coordinates of the midpoint and AC is equals to BD. We have to find out the midpoint of AC and then BD from the origin XY. Let us be this X and Y. So find out the midpoint. So what is the midpoint formula? X1 plus X2 by 2 plus Y1 plus Y2 by 2. So substitute here. This is X1 Y1 X2 Y2 X1 Y1 X2 Y2. Substitute here. 6 plus 9 by 2 plus 1 plus 4 by 2 equals to 8 plus P by 2 comma 2 plus 3 by 2. So 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 by 2 is equals to 5 by 2. 8 plus P by 2 is equals to 5 by 2. Here 5 by 2 and 5 by 2 is same. So we don't want to make equate. Now we have to make equate like 15 by 2 is equals to 8 plus P by 2. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. 15 is equals to 8 plus P. 15 minus 8 is equals to P is equals to 7. So we have got the P is equals to 7. That the following points form an isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle means any two sides of the triangle is equal, A, B and C. So A is 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2. We have to show any 2 points means the distance from AB or BC or from AC means any, so AB or AB is equals to BC or else AB is equals to AC, like that we have to do. Any two sides of the triangle we have to make equal. We should not make equal. If it comes equal means it is an isosceles triangle. So let us take the distance formula. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. A is 5 comma minus 2 and B is 6 comma 4. So x2 is 6 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 6 minus 1 is 1 square plus 6 plus 4 is 4 plus 2 is 6 square. That is equals to 1 plus 36. Square root of 37 units we have got distance of AB distance. Now let us find out the BC. BC is 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2. That is equals to square root of x2 is 7 minus x1 is 6 whole square plus y2 is minus 2 minus 4 whole square. 1 square plus minus 6 square. So 1 plus 36. That is equals to square root of 37 units. This one also we have got square root of 37. So here we are getting AB and the BC, two sides of the triangle equal. If the two sides of the triangle is equal means then it is an isosceles triangle. Hence above given points form an isosceles triangle. Isosceles given points form isosceles triangle. Suppose if the question as they have given, prove that it is an right angle triangle. So in the right angle triangle, what is an formula we will apply? Hypotenuse square is equals to sum of the squares of other sides. So like this right angle it will be there. So hypotenuse, it means AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. This is the method for the right angle triangle. So next question, these are the 3 marks questions. 3 marks question this one. So next question is find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 10 comma minus 4 6 and 2 comma 5 and minus 1 comma 3. So to find an area of the triangle, formula is x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. 10 comma minus 6 2 comma 5 and minus 1 comma 3. x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. A is equals to 1 by 2. x1 is 10 into y2 is 5 minus 3 plus x2 is 2 into y3 is 3 minus of minus 6 plus x3 is minus 1 into y1 is minus 6 minus 5. 1 by 2. 10 of 2 plus 2 into 3 minus into minus plus 6 plus minus 1 into minus 11. 1 by 2. 10 to the 20 plus 9 to the 18 minus 11. 20 plus 8 into minus plus. So 1 by 2. 27 plus 38 plus 1 is 9, 49. So we will get here 24.5 square units. This is the answer for the area of the triangle. This formula is very important. That is 1 by 2 x1 into y2 minus y3. When x1 will come, y1 coordinate will be absent. Here x2, y2 coordinate is absent, x3, y3 coordinate is absent.